Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel again. In the last class we have learned about introduction of Scratch. I have explained the Scratch platform in that video. If you have not watched that video yet, please go ahead and watch it before this video. Okay? So in this class we are basically going to learn about how we can add sounds to the Scratch. Okay? And to add sound, of course we require some sprites. Whenever you give some functionality, then the sounds will be coming. Okay, and this is going to be very easy. What we are going to do, we will be taking some musical instruments, and when you click on the musical instruments, it will be creating a sound. Okay, let's start with it. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Okay, and like the video and also share it with your friends. Now let's get started. So here, first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to select some sprites. As I have already explained Scratch platform, I'm not going to explain in detail again. We will just immediately start with sprites. So I have to click here, choose a sprite, and then let us search something. Oh, there is a music already. Then what we will be doing is there are bell icons, guitar, drum kit, everything is there. Let me take a drum kit. Okay, I have taken it. It will be loading here, and I don't need a scratchy, so I'll be deleting the scratchy. Okay, why it isn't coming? Just a minute. I'm just taking it one more time. Oh, there are two now. Okay, I'm just deleting the first one. Now I'll be taking here. There's a size property, so from here I can increase the size. Okay, you can see it over here. There is a size property, so I can just make the size the way I want it. Like maybe I will keep it 150, and you can see it became big now. Another instrument we will be picking for the music. Let us take a bell. Okay, and I can have a bell over there, or maybe I will take some other thing related to music. uh, let's have speaker. It will be playing any song. Okay, so this is just a random thing that we are doing over here. And we also should have a backdrop, so I'm clicking here. Music backdrop, you can see there are these many backdrops, but suppose by any chance you don't want them, then you can go ahead and select any backdrop of your choice. Okay, so from here you can select any backdrop. Let us select the concert one, so it feels like it is happening in some concert and it looks good. Moreover, so it's working really slow, guys, please bear with me. And here we are going to do about it. Okay, so what we are going to do inside, what I want is when I click on drum, it should be playing the drum sound. When I click on bell, it should be playing the bell sound, and when I click on speaker, it should play any random sound. Okay, so let's start and do that. So first of all, I will click on drum kit, and we will do the coding for drum kit first. Okay, so first thing I'm going to give that when I click on green flag, the when green flag is clicked, we will go to sounds, and here you can see already drum related musics are available. Okay, these music are there, but suppose I don't like it for some reason. What I'll be doing is I'll choose a sound, go to loops, and here loops means the longest sound. Okay, so because if you select any other category, the sound length will not be that much long, but here in loops you will be finding it. Here there is a drum. Okay, I can take this also. Yes, we will be picking this up. So what will happen then, when green flag is clicked, I just want to do that when okay, let us do one thing. When this sprite is clicked, that means when I click on the drum, I will be going to sound and I will play sound, or maybe I will start a sound. Okay, and there is a drum sound which we have already given. So let us just run it. Click on the drum. Okay, I hope you can hear the music, and it is that simple. But if you go to bell now and if you go to sound, there are no sounds related to the drum. That means every sprite has a different sound library. Okay, so here if you just try to play it, yes, we have already the drum bell sound over here. So again we will repeat the same process. When this sprite is clicked, go to sound and do start sound. Same with the speaker. We will go here. When this sprite is clicked, I will do sound, and let's do start sound. And here you can select any sound of your choice now. Let's select a scratchy bit. Okay, now let's just move ahead and see this. Click on the sprites. have you noticed what is wrong over here? That when I click on first sprite, the sound is coming, but when I click on next sprite also, still the first sound is turned on and it is like getting remixed with each other. But we don't want to happen this, right? So whenever I click on drum kit, I want to make sure that before that, if any sound is playing, I have to stop that sound. So before start sound, I will keep the instruction stop all sounds. Same instruction you have to repeat everywhere over here. Stop all sounds before start sound. Okay. What will happen if any music is turned on before, it will be turned off, then it will be started. Let us see now how does it work. Clicking on the first one. Yes. Now, have you seen this? Now it's working correctly. That means when I click on one sprite, no other sound is playing except that particular one. So this is how we add sounds to our sprites. This was just a small example to just explain about the sound library in Scratch. If you guys have any question, please comment me, okay? And I will be trying to answer all of those questions. And do practice it. It's very easy. In the next class, we will be learning more about the Scratch. Stay tuned and signing off here.